What's up, Money Dominoes? It's Guys here, and I hate to say it, but if you haven't already started building wealth, these next 5 years might be your last chance. I know that sounds ridiculous. I thought so too until I started noticing a fundamental shift in how wealth is being created. Artificial intelligence is doing more than just changing jobs. It's concentrating wealth into fewer hands. For the first time ever, a small number of people can now do the work of entire teams. Some researchers estimate that a large portion of entry-level white-collar work is already at risk. As this trend continues, traditional paths like getting a job, investing, and buying real estate won't disappear, but they will become more expensive and harder to access. We need to understand what's happening, why the next 5 years could be a major opportunity window, and what you can do now to avoid being left behind. AI reset. Some economists argue that once artificial intelligence makes human labor economically less valuable, ownership will become the primary source of wealth. Imagine robots building everything, AI replacing accountants, doctors, and lawyers, and eventually most human labor becoming unnecessary. This may sound far-fetched, but the rules of wealth creation are already changing. AI no longer replaces wealth, it amplifies it. If you own stocks, real estate, or a business, AI becomes leverage. If you rely only on wages, AI becomes competition. We're entering an economy where productivity doesn't automatically guarantee prosperity. The biggest returns are going to those who own assets, not just those who work hard. 4 major shifts happening. AI becomes winner take most. AI allows fewer people to produce far more output. Companies can operate with smaller teams. That means more concentration of wealth among top performers and owners. Wealth is becoming privatized. More growth is happening in private